Hi, welcome to the 2016 Taiwan American Cultural Fest here in Union Square.
The biggest and the best Taiwanese American cultural festival in the United States.
OK， 接下来呢，看完这个传统的这个台湾的这个舞蹈之后呢，哎呦，现在我们美国的这个流行文化要来了。
你可以还讲一次大声一点吗？
接下来呢，我们还有这个流行的文化就要来了，好不好？这个是一个有名的人，我们来介绍一下他。
Okay, so we have really like this name. I've never heard it before. Claudeo, and he is most well known for his beard. I think I see a lot of guys with beards and that stuff all the time, but.
Okay. Do you like their last performance? 掌声再尖叫一下，好不好 ？Yeah.
Super colorful.
Yeah.
So it's so sexy at the same time. Okay, so the next person, we accidentally introduced him too early because we got way too excited, but we have Claudeo, and he is an indie pop songwriter, producer, pianist, guitarist, and he's all self-taught, so that is very, very impressive. He is Asian American, and he was born in Cleveland, Ohio. I don't know if anyone here is from Ohio. Claudeo is, so there we go. And he has worked with some people, as you guys might know, Jeremy Lin, Arden Cho, The Food, Jason Chu. He's worked with a lot of people, so he's very multi-talented, I would say.
Yeah, 大家有没有听过这个 Claudeo 这个人？他就站在我们旁边，好不好？掌声一下。我们刚刚看完了这个台湾的这个传统这个表演之后呢，现在呢，他要带给我们的是这个全新这个这个台美的这个流行文化的这个音乐，好不好？他呢这个本名呢叫做 Chris Chen， 他是这个华裔的这个骄傲，好不好？我们这个也是我很崇拜的人，大家喜欢听音乐的人可能都有听过他。因为呢，他这个自己创作音乐之外，他还跟很多这个不同的人合作。其中这个最有名的 ，She just mentioned that he worked with Jeremy Lin before. Do you play basketball or something? Do you do?
Also plays basketball.
Okay. 他呢跟这个 Jeremy Lin， 大家知道 Who knows Jeremy Lin？ 台湾的这个骄傲，好不好？在 NBA 打球的这个 Jeremy Lin，right？然后呢，他呢跟他合作过，做过这个音乐嘛。然后呢，今天呢，他带来了他自己的一连串这个表演。那我们这个欢迎他，好不好 ？Do you still need more time? OK， 那我们再来介绍一次我们的 sponsor， 好不好
Okay, we could do that. So we want to say a lot of thanks to our sponsors, and that includes Kenda Tires, Sky TV, and the Asian American Art Museum.
没错，今天呢，我们再一次的这个强调一次，我们今天这么成功的活动，不是没有原因的，是因为有我们很多的这个赞助商。首先，我们就要谢谢我们的Kenda Tire， 然后第二个还有我们这个Sky TV 天下卫视，还有这个故宫博物院，这非常感谢我们的赞助商。
And also, maybe we can teach them a little bit more about Taiwan. So I want to show you guys some fun facts. So you guys know that Taiwan's an island, but it's about the size of Massachusetts in the U.S.
大家知道台湾其实说大不大，说小不小。它的这个 size 呢，刚好跟这个麻省这个面积是一样大的，大家知道吗？知道的举手，不知道应该大家
都累了，都想吃饭，赶快去吃霸掌。
对，还有我们的霸掌还有很多，大家记得去吃。
Okay, and 我的妈妈跟爸爸是台北跟台南人，然后我知道the major cities of Taiwan is apparently Taipei, so 台北，高雄 ，how do you say that in Taiwan? 高雄 ，and then 台中 and 台南，对，所以I have to practice that.
现在这个我们在这个美国出生的一些小朋友可能不知道，我们台湾的这些县市呢，那其实我们各个县市都有不同的文化，像是我们的霸掌，从南到北就有不同的这个霸掌。那今天这个霸掌是属于这个北部的这个粽子，然后大家可以去尝尝看。那我们这个 Claudeo is ready。OK， 现在我们来隆重的欢迎我们的 Claudeo。
We are Claudeo. My name's Chris. This is my wife Rachel. In case you're wondering who this person standing right here is. Thank you everyone for having us here today. Hope you guys enjoy this. Sorry about all the craziness just now. You'll say it's when you're mine, you'll fly with me. Oh, I wanna survive, this is all I know. Lives with all the same. When we keep running, it's living around. Honest way. Wanna survive just another day till the skies are away another day. I wanna survive another day. Lives within all the same. The way we keep spinning and running around, honest avoiding way. I wanna survive just another way till the skies are away another day. I wanna see where another city. Just another day till the skies are away.
write a lullaby. Let's tell a story that matters so much. Does it cost to say it loud? To say it right? To say you really matter so much. Does it cost to love you now? To love you right? To say to you really matter. So much does it cost? When I was young, nobody told me how much you weigh, how much you cost. To sing a song, to write a lullaby, to tell a story that matters so much. Does it cost to say it loud, to sing it long, to tell a story that matters so much? Does it cost? Sing it loud, to sing it long, to tell a story that matters. Thank you. Even though the sky is falling down, I will run to you. Even though the sky is falling
You ate breakfast?
down,
What should I do? Get rid of this mess?
though the sky is falling down, I will run to you, even though the sky is falling down.
Oh, maybe a plum? Yeah, I would have guessed plum. 梅子。
And I know God is coming down. And I say, won't you stay?
Oh, really? Yeah, but how much samples did you put in there? Yeah, I know, but English, how
Even
No,
though
that can't be.
the
Like,
sky
really
is
tall,
falling
creating more Yeah.
Thank you. Just for a little explanation of this EP that we're singing right now, this was sort of a little culmination of us getting together. I wrote a bunch of these songs for her for our wedding, so this is kind of like our wedding album, if you could say. Yeah.
We actually gave out all of our guests' favorite holiday.
I put in 10. I don't eat meat. And I started using
I'm not
Yeah, because you're saying I actually have to break up my study so you don't have too many samples.
save me from
Okay, we have one more song for you guys. Hope you guys have enjoyed this. Once again, we're Claudeo. My name's Chris. This is Rachel. Thanks again for having us.
Really don't know what to say. August weather's nice today. Maybe I should hold my tongue and let what come my way. Open my eyes. Now I can't come around now. This is how we're gonna run right up to the end. How you ever made it here with me? I can't play pretend to know. I can see that I know you're just right for me.
Thank you very much.
Yeah， 再次掌声鼓励，谢谢我们的 Claudeo。
So I just wanted to say, for those who didn't know, the EP that they just sang is songs that he wrote for his now current wife, who's beautiful. What's her name? Rachel. So Rachel and Claudio are a dynamic duo. So thank you guys so much.
对他刚刚有一首歌是写给他老婆的 ，right？ 他老婆 Rachel， 他们一起夫妻同心上台，看了我都要哭了，太感人了，好不好？接下来我们非常谢谢我们这个下午上半段精彩的表演。
Welcome to the 2016 Taiwan American Cultural Fest here in Union Square.
The biggest and the best Taiwanese American cultural festival in the United States.